Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I ordered some of this the other day. It's called Super Blue, and you've seen it on some of the other tool channels. I've never used it though, so this is a little bit scary for me. And from what I understand, it's very toxic. So, you know, I'm going with the gloves. But I wanted to try this out because I've never used it. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet here. I have this knife that, I love this knife. It's crap, but I love it. For some reason, you know, it rusts. It's not stainless steel like most of my kitchen knives. So, you know, if you leave it laying on the counter, it rusts like that. So I'm constantly having to clean the rust off of it. And I thought maybe, I don't know. I mean, obviously, I can't hear you guys answer me right now, but maybe this will help it. I don't know if it will or won't. So I thought I would put some of that stuff on this. Now, I don't have a fancy sharpening system. I've seen some of the fancy ones. I've just got a little deal I bought on Amazon that you swipe it through, and I'll do that. But, you know, the main thing here is I wanted to test this. I thought about putting it on a tool like this, but if I screw it up, I really don't want to screw up this. So instead, we're going to go with this, the old Hickory knife. So let's get after it. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought, actually. I did notice that I left a smudge right there on the thing when I guess my gloves or something maybe interacted with the acid, or so, I don't know, whatever. I guess for future reference I just need to be more careful. But anyway, this wasn't a big restoration or anything. I just wanted to try out that bluing, and boy, the longer I sit here and let this just sit, it gets darker and darker. So it works great. Yeah, I guess that's about it. So thanks for watching. See you next time.